How to add a portfolio page to your Squarespace website. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very simple because Squarespace does actually give you the option to add a properly built portfolio option. So you simply just want to log in and go to websites and pages, and whether you want it to be in the main navigation or not linked, meaning it's going to show up in the navigation menu or not, click on the plus icon next to whichever one that you want. So usually it's going to be within the main navigation, so click on the plus icon. Next up, you're just going to scroll down until you find the showcase option, and you should be able to find portfolio. And once you click on portfolio, pick any template that you like and click on it. Okay, so once you actually create it, you should be able to find yourself on this page. And you're going to find some sample projects, but I just removed them entirely so we can start from scratch. So what you want to do is just click on the page itself, and you should be able to find the portfolio option and click on the plus icon to start with your own project. So you can just go and pick any template that you like for an actual project. And a project is basically just going to showcase the different things that you want to show for this one project. So let's say I'm just going to use this one instead, and I'm just going to select it. Now, second thing you want to do is just once you actually open it up, and if you don't see this page, it's completely fine. You can just open it up by going to the project here on the left, click on the three dots and click on settings. Now you can just upload an image and a cover image for it, and you can change the status to be published if you want to, change the SEO settings and so on. But most importantly, once you do all of these things, you can just click on edit and adjust this project entirely. So if this is project one, you can just feel free. It's pretty much an entire page for your project. So just feel free to customize it as you like. And once you're done with project one, you just want to click on plus icon and create a different one. So it's just going to be two different ones here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on save. And whichever one that you open, you are just going to see a different page completely, and you can just feel free to adjust it. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.